In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Notion AI. If you're looking to organize your projects, keep track of tasks, or manage your daily habits, Notion AI can help you set it all up quickly and efficiently. So grab your device, open Notion, and let's dive right in. First, start by opening your Notion app. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new page. This page will act as the foundation for your new database. To create this new page, simply click the New Page button on the sidebar. Give it a unique name to make it instantly recognizable when you're navigating through your Notion workspace later on. With your new page set up, it's time to harness the power of Notion's flexible databases. Type keyword table within the page and you'll be presented with a few different options. You can either select Table, a full page if you want the database to occupy the whole page, or Table and Inline if you prefer the database to be part of or embedded within other content. Alternatively, you can enlist Notion AI's help directly by asking it to create a database for you, which is great for speeding up the process. Next, let's open Notion AI. There are a couple of ways you can do this, either by clicking on the AI button in your toolbar, or by using the keyboard shortcut that's available in your version of the app. This feature is truly one of Notion's crowning achievements, allowing you to leverage artificial intelligence to make your organizational tasks simpler and less time-consuming. To get Notion AI working on your database, you'll need to enter a prompt. The good news is that this can be as straightforward as typing exactly what you need. For instance, you might say, create a project management database with tasks, priorities, due dates, and assignees. Or perhaps you need a CRM database to track customers. In this case, a prompt like, create a CRM database for tracking customers would get the job done. If your focus is more on personal productivity, asking for a habit tracker with daily checkboxes is yet another possibility. The key here is to be clear and concise with your instructions, enabling Notion AI to understand and process your needs accurately. Once Notion AI has generated the database based on your input, it's time for you to review what's been created. Inspect the structure and contents to ensure they match your requirements. You may need to make adjustments, such as modifying column titles, adding new fields, or rearranging the order of items. Feel free to customize it further until it suits your specific needs perfectly. And there you have it, a fully functioning database, customized and powered by Notion AI, ready to streamline the way you work or manage your information. Whether you're dealing with complex projects or simple daily habits, you now have a powerful tool at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.